Good evening, Australia. It's Karen Brewer here from the Bush Telegraph. I can't show you my face on YouTube because I'm not a dentist and I won't live in fear, despite what mainstream media tells us every evening. Fear, fear, Corona is here. We've got parliamentary pedophile protecting suppression orders. We've got decades worth of politicians covering up for pedophiles. And now we have South Australia locked up due to the corona. Yes, apparently with an incubation period of 14 days, but South Australians, being different, decided to lock up for just the 6 days. Someone explain to me, please, the common sense in that issue, because I still cannot work that out. Now, in addition to that, breaking news about your South Australian corona. There's been absolutely no updates on corona toes at this stage, so we will have to wait for more breaking news. To my fellow countrymen in South Australia, for God's sake, wake up. We got pedophiles and pedophile protectors in our entire judiciary. And we've known this for 5 years. We've seen our fellow Victorians locked up. Tens of thousands of people have in fact lost their livelihoods. Tens of thousands. That's not okay, Australia.
G'day Australia, and in particular all those people in Victoria where I live. Everyone keeps saying that they want their rights back. They want to enforce their common law rights. They want their unalienable rights back. They want their constitutional rights back. But you know what? You've already got them. You just don't know how to exercise them properly. So what we have to do is be a commonwealth, be a federation, and we all stick together. And what that means is that every Aussie, you, me, everybody is one voice, is a united voice against the corporations and the corruption and all the other crap that's going on in our country at the moment. It's time we stood up. It's time we made a stand. We don't have to go out in the street and be violent. There's many different things you can do. Aussie Patriots Roll is one of them. We founded this many years ago, and we need your help. It's not about me.
Good morning. This video is about a piece of paper that I was sent the other day from the government of Western Australia. There's only one problem. The people of the government, and we didn't send me anything. So you're a pack of liars. You're a parliament, not a government. You are subject to the Constitution, like it or lump it. Try lumping it, I like that better. This purported summons says summons to jury service. Under the Criminal Procedures Rules 2005. You pack of idiots. How do you remove the Crown and then make rules that are binding on the sovereign people of this country? You don't. Then you put Wayne Kenneth Glue in capital letters. That's a legal fiction. It's been judged so by Justice Corboy on the 23rd of June 2011 in Glue versus the Governor of Western Australia. Now, it says attendance details. You are hereby summoned to attend on the date and at the time and place specified below to serve as a juror at the criminal sittings of the Supreme Court and the District Court. When are you going to get it through your thick heads? You took the Crown out in January 2004 and the oath out in 2005, and then expect me to make an affidavit under that oath. Affidavits and Statutory Declarations Act that took out the oath. Are you mentally retarded or what? This is location Geraldton Court, Marine Terrace, I know all that. You'll be required to attend on a daily basis until you are discharged or notified otherwise. Failure to attend may result in an $800 infringement. So, if I don't follow this nonsensical purported summons, you're going to fine me. That's a threat. Outright threat to rip me off for $800. And I've got to put my personal details here and a statutory declaration on the back under the very act that removed the Crown, the oath to the Crown. You people are nutcases. It is signed by District Court Registrar Stephen Ford. I recognise his signature. I've known him for a long time, seen it. So I decided I have to answer it. So I've answered it with this. This states, lawful notice to Geraldton Courthouse, because that's who sent me the document, Geraldton Courthouse, no particular person. Wayne Kenneth Glue, CPO, OWB, Commonwealth Public Official, that's me, living, breathing man. Thank you for the document that you sent me purporting to be a lawful summons, because it's not. First, my name is Wayne Kenneth Glue, a living, breathing man, not the legal fiction Wayne Kenneth Glue in capital letters, as decided by Justice Corboy on the 23rd of June 2011 in Glue versus the Governor of Western Australia. Second, I will be attending at that as that man, not the legal fiction. As a lawfully appointed officer of the Crown, I will be part of a group of people who are lawful judges on that day to carry out the duty under Section 80 of the Supreme Law of this country, being the Commonwealth Constitution Act 1900 UK and our Commonwealth Constitution 1901. That is our supreme law. The law that sits above it is the common law, being Magna Carta Section 39. Now, Section 80 is in relation to a large jury, which is 23. So we're going to have to get a few more people, another 11 in fact. Then I, as a sworn officer of the Crown, will be doing my duty as in challenging the quorum who has not sworn the lawful oath and is therefore sitting unlawfully. I'm adding a few things just to clarify it, but the letter is precise. The jury, as you know, when fully informed of their duties, are the lawful judges of the court, and as such can both challenge the judge and bind him over to stand trial for treason and treachery to overturn our Constitution, which is exactly what he's doing. I cannot judge any other man or woman because of the removal of the Crown in January 2004 and the removal of the lawful oath in 2005 using the Oaths, Affidavits and Statutory Declarations Act, which you know is unlawful. That's the stupid act that you think I'm going to do an affidavit under. You people are mentally retarded. To remove the oath is an act of blatant treason, as the state constitution is a letter patent that only the reigning monarch can change, and she did not. You understand that? The Queen of Australia is not our monarch and has no authority. It's a bush turkey, and you know that too. That is dated and signed and lawfully stamped. That's what I'll be presenting in relation to this summons. More than likely they'll chicken out and not want me to attend, but if they do, what's going to happen is not a threat. It's a promise of the exercise of my authority and my duty as a sworn officer of the Crown. You people are sitting in treason, committing treason, and you will be dealt with accordingly. Now, one other issue came up yesterday. I was advised by a friend that he attended Midland Court, and there was an English cop there. This English cop told him that the government can override our Constitution. You're a liar. You said I have had 15 cases in the court and lost every one. You definitely are a liar. Glue versus Granville Shire, the 3 judges sat in criminal contempt of the High Court. Go read HCA 48 in 1996. It proves that. So you are a liar. Now, under our Constitution, it says follow our customs and beliefs, assimilate or get out. Go home. Go back to England. We do not want a reject that doesn't want to follow our Constitution. You are bound by it. That is our customs and beliefs. That is our supreme law. You understand me? I don't care what uniform you wear, but you are wearing the uniform of our monarch, purportedly. Wear it with pride, wear it under our Constitution, or shut your stupid mouth, you ignorant moron. Do not address me to other people. You got something to say it to me, or shut up. You understand me? I've had a gut full of liars fronting up in court and telling everybody the government can pass laws to override our Constitution. You are liars, you are traitors, and you are committing treachery to overturn our Constitution. Is that clear? Now, either follow our Constitution or get the hell out of our country, or at least get out of our police force. You have no authority. No crown, no authority. Do you understand that? There is no Queen of Australia. That is a lie. But that just goes with all the other lies you told yesterday, doesn't it? So take it and shove it where the sun don't shine. I don't care. You're wrong. I'm right. Belt up or put up. Thank you.